Alright, y'all. I don't know if this is going to be a video or not, but last year you may have seen a video where I caught a bunch of white bass in a creek. And I'm coming down here just to see if those white bass are running again. So I brought the cameras just in case. If it turns out to be a good video, you'll get to see it. And you'll get to see all this. But anyways, yeah, we're going to go down here and just throw some lures around. Alyssa wasn't up for lure fishing today. We just got back from Texas and we're both kind of beat. So she's down a ways carp fishing or whatever fishing. She got worms and corn out. So we'll check in with her in a little bit, see how she's doing. But we're going to go down here and see what we can't catch on these lures. Maybe we'll get into something, maybe we won't. But only one way to find out is to get down there and fish. So come along with me and we'll get down to the creek. What did I catch? There's a little white bass. Little guy. Way out there. This is a tiny little man. That's what I'm after. It's a start. There's a big splash out here. It might have just been a carp, but we'll throw some baits through it, see what happens. That hooked up right away as soon as it hit. There we go. That's better than the last one for sure. There we go. That's a good white bass. That is a monster white bass. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That is a pig of a white bass. Oh, I just noticed I got a bent hook from when I got snagged. Oh man. That is a pig of a white bass, guys. Pig. Look at how stout that guy is. That's a chunky white bass. There it is. That's a pig of a white bass. Blade bait. It's one of those like purplishy chrome ones. It's very flashy. He hit it as soon as it hit the water. But that's one of the biggest white bass I have ever caught. Gotcha, Yahtzee. Don't know why I say that. Oh, he just popped off. There's still some out there. Dang it. Gotcha. Can't tell. Yeah. Oh, that's a good Walter. Good walleye. Oh man, that's beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. Don't want to lose him. It's a nice walleye. Pretty sure it's a walleye. We'll see when we get it up here. Oh, he's barely hooked. Barely hooked. Ugh. All right, y'all. Look at this beautiful fish. Oh, man. What a beauty. Look at those teeth. Oh, yeah. That is a beautiful predator out of a small creek. I'm guessing he's 23 inches long, 24 inches. Beautiful fish. Pretty sure it's a walleye. I'm not always right. It could be a saugeye. It's definitely not a sauger. It'd be a lot smaller, but beautiful fish. I'm new to getting back into catching these, so that's super exciting to see him come up. Wow. I love it. Let's get him back in the water. There he goes. Awesome.
It might be the biggest carp of my life, I'm pretty sure. On my tiniest rod. So I see.
Oh, that's a grass carp.
Oh, yay! I've never caught one in my life and I've really wanted to. Okay.
They're hard to get in.
So here's what's gonna happen. I don't know. But we're gonna do this just in case. Because I've never caught one and he's really big and I have tiny pole, so this is the biggest carp of my life on the tiniest rod of my life. I loosen my drag because I'm not very good at that. And I don't want to lose him.
Yeah, I was not getting any bites for a while at the other spot in my lure, so I came down here.
I was about to be like, babe, let's go get our Chinese.
Well, now you're gonna sink in mud.
I am, but at least you're stationary.
You're gonna be covered.
But I really want this fish. I don't have fish grips or anything because I didn't.
It looks like you swallowed it.
I think, oh, it's right there.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. You'll just be not happy with me if I put that reel in this mud.
It's gonna make you a mess.
Oh, no.
This is mud wrestling.
Okay, bye. All right.
You still got him.
How did that happen? Why did this guy just give me the fight of my whole life? Because he's the biggest carp of my life. On the tiniest rod of my life.
Here you go, picture you're covered in mud with a grass carp.
Okay, we're ending this day. Awesome! Holy shnikers. All right, bye, you big, beautiful, fighty beast. Bye. Help a little bit. Ooh, still a little chilly. Oh, that was fun, wasn't it?
Yeah, Alyssa don't like lure fishing, so she came down here to start carp fishing, and I was over there lure fishing. And I got bored of it after a while because nothing was biting other than those few I caught. So I came down here, and she's wrestling with a tiny pole. So I ran to hit record on her phone.
That
and
was awesome.
caught the half of the battle.
Holy cow.
Probably more than half. You battled him in the mud.
I'm like super happy that I got him in because I never got a carp in that big
Oh,
one.
no, you're getting a bite on your bobber.
Are you serious?
It just was moving.
I'm like, I lost that big buffalo one time, remember? snatching me all day. I couldn't even bring one in. So we just need to get his snatchy butt. Yeah!
4 species.
Snatchy. 4 species today. What a cool day.
It's like blood on me.
Are you saving him for bait?
You got a bucket, right?
Yeah.
Might as well.
Bait time. Boop. Just one more cast. I know. Maybe.
Got it.
What is it? A little drum?
Drum.
Oh my god.
Another species.
5 species today. That's a crazy
And this one's
day.
going.
Oh. I don't even know. Oh, I don't even know where the bobber is. Double. Oh my gosh, how fun. Yay.
Gold eye.
Yeah.
Another little gold eye that turns into cat.
Look at our double. Yeah. This one, he'll go back.
He just came to mess around on a creek and it's actually doing pretty good.
Oh my gosh, how fun. What a good day.
You're a mess. So that was kind of an unplanned video. I did bring the cameras with me just because I always want to be prepared for what I catch. But I wanted to see if the white bass are biting yet, and Alyssa's not big on lure fishing, so she went down the way to carp fish for a little bit and just mess around with worms.
Oh, that was awesome though.
It was.
Biggest carp of my life. That's a good day.
Yeah. So this ended up being a video because I caught a few lure
And 5
fishing.
different species.
Yeah, 5 different species.
Holy
and
cow.
as soon as I was walking down there to come meet up with her, she was fighting one on tiny pole, so I hurried up and caught the last half of the fight and then the fight on land. So she got a little muddy.
That was like more of a fight on land than, and, well, I don't know. I ended up everybody.
And that's the first grass carp she's ever caught. So that's pretty
Ever.
cool.
That was a big carp, and
Yeah.
I was super scared to lose it. I didn't
She
wanna,
did lose it, and it swam on the bank, so she could grab it again.
That was awesome. Well, yeah, an experience of a lifetime for sure. With a carp.
It was a fun day.
That was awesome. Oh my gosh. Thank you guys for being silly and wicked with us. Please like, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of our silly adventures. Super appreciate you guys.
Yep. Leave a comment. Stay wicked, y'all.